We live in a country that is full of so many different cultures, and all the cultures come together, and the different influences and maybe even contradictions that people may face every day can easily make a person confused and unsure about who they are, especially when growing up, I believe. And I feel that one's culture and family values are and should be a strong foundation that provides you with an identity. The sense of belonging to a family or even a group with similar backgrounds and family values and culture is a source of great assurance, and it gives one a perspective on life. And your heritage and roots should be something that you're extremely proud of.
Come to our show, everyone.
For the culture!
For the performances.
For the kids.
For the experience.
Come to our show.